In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to install TunerPro PCMHammer and where to find the XDF file for your LS-based engine's PCM. The first thing we're going to need to do is install TunerPro. I'll leave this link in the description. Once you're on this website, what you're going to do here is you're going to go to the current version. It may be different depending on the time that you're watching this video. Click download. It wants you to save it. You'll save it in your downloads folder or wherever you can access it easily. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to download PCMHammer. If you scroll down to the bottom of this GitHub post here, you can see PCMHammer 021.zip. Click on that. It'll ask you to save it again. Save that in your downloads folder. Now that those are downloaded, what you're going to do is you're going to go to your downloads folder. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to install TunerPro. Double click on the setup for TunerPro. It may ask you to protect your PC. Just click more info and click run anyway. Choose yes. Accept the license agreement. And then simply just click next through the installer until you get to install. Click install. Once it's finished, click finish. And then you're done. You got TunerPro. Right click on the PCMHammer zip file, extract all. Click extract. Go in the folder that just extracted. You should see PCMHammer application here. You can double click on that. Again, it'll ask you to protect your PC. Click more info and then run anyway. And that's how you open PCMHammer. PCMHammer is a portable application. So what I typically do, I'll have to close this to show you. What I typically do is I just move this folder with all the PCMHammer files in it onto my desktop. That way I can open the folder and easily open PCMHammer when I am talking to a vehicle or a PCM. Now the last thing you're going to need is an XDF file. You will have to get this based on what revision your vehicle is. For example, you're talking to your vehicle with PCMHammer. It will fill in a bunch of information about it here. So that's where you will find whether you're P01, P59, and if you go in them, that's where you will find the software ID right here. And to download one, let's say for example you need 2088, you'll click on it and it'll take you to this page, which may be a little confusing because there's no download button, but if you click View Raw, it will prompt you to download the XDF file, and then you can simply save it. The last piece to the puzzle is the cable and scanner that you will use to actually talk to your PCM. What I use is this OBDX Pro GT. I was doing a lot of reading and comparing this with the cheap ones on Amazon, and this is what I found to be the best option. You can also use the OBDX Pro VX. It's a little cheaper option. So there you have it. That is how you install TunerPro and PCMHammer. It's really quite easy. This is all you will need to tune your LS PCM for free. A really common thing to do on here is to delete VATs. I have another video explaining how to do that. There's a lot of good free information online on the PCM hacking forum that you can find on how to do different things and how to turn off different things within your PCM. I hope this helped you. I'm going to be uploading another video soon on how to read and write to your PCM using PCMHammer.